So today's video is brought to you by my very own coffee, Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. It's available in a K-Cup, whole bean, and pre-ground 16-ounce bag. You can find it at justadadcoffee.com, or right underneath the video, you will see the products displayed and you can click on them and purchase them right there. I really do enjoy this taste. It's a dark Brazilian roast. It tastes really good. And you can brew it in a K-Cup machine, or you can grind your own coffee or have it pre-ground for you. I hope when somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is, that you say Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Let's make a great tasting protein shake. I'm going to use this Musclean, and it's the vanilla milkshake. It tastes absolutely delicious. We're going to be using the Ninja Blast portable blender. So the Musclean uses cryo flavor technology, which utilizes temperature, so we got to add ice. Okay, so let's add our ice to the blender. We don't want to go above the full line. Let's add 1 cup of water. Now I'm going to add 1 scoop. You can add up to 2 scoops of this powder. Okay, so we're simply going to screw the lid on. So I'm going to power up the blender, and this blender is automatic. I'm going to press the start button. It'll start and stop on its own. Now what I love about this blender is I can just take this with me and I can drink it right out of here. It's going to be great. It's going to be really good tasting, but let's dump it out and see how the blender actually did. Okay. Yeah, that looks really, really good. Okay, let's put a straw in it. Let's taste it. That tastes absolutely delicious. I can't tell you how good that tastes. I mean, I don't know how they do it, but it tastes exactly like a vanilla milkshake. And I want you to see the ice is really, really fine. Okay, cleanup is very simple. I took this over the sink, I rinsed it out. Now let's just do a couple sprays. Let's put the lid back on, and you simply just do a blend. It's a really neat way of cleaning it. So it has 213 calories, 13 grams of fat. There's the different vitamins and minerals it has. It does say it has superior muscle building formula, perfect for keto, pre-contest prep, satisfying hunger and food cravings, low carbs, low sugar, 0 lactose, 0 aspartame, 0 trans fat, gluten-free. The blender is super easy to use. You're going to charge it with a USB-C. I've even used ice and frozen fruit with this powder, and it tastes really good even that way too. So you may have seen from my podcast, Megan Ballou is who recommended this to me. She owns a gym, Fit to Go in Litchfield, and she's our personal trainer. And I was telling her that we have some powders that we've tried, protein shakes, and they don't taste very good. She immediately told us about this. It actually tastes good. Again, I don't know all the science behind it and everything, but I do trust her opinion, and we've been drinking it now for about a month, off and on, with either fruit or with just water. Always be sure and add ice. If you're using the frozen fruit, that's okay because it's already frozen, but it just tastes really good. So thanks everybody for watching my video today. Underneath the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, you can purchase all this coffee right below the video. You'll see links to them, or go to justadadcoffee.com. I really do appreciate everybody's support. Recently, YouTube just sent me my 100,000 subscriber plaque. That would not be possible without everybody's support. So again, I really appreciate it. I'm excited for this new adventure, branding my own coffee. It tastes really good, and I hope you're going to definitely like it. Again, hoping somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is. It's Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. And again, thanks so much for watching the YouTube channel. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there, and you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Also, check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much. Miss Fiona always knows when I'm doing a recording.